Okay, so for now, we are going to use emerald shape for this ring bezel ring setting tutorial. So let's hide these photographs and now let's import USA 7. Then go to front view and bring up the position properly. So let's make it shaded. And here is my ring rail. So let's change the color to light gray so we can identify the ring rail size. Okay, let's bring it here. Okay, I want this kind of let's turn on this photo. Okay, so diamond is little bit up, here is the bridge, and this is the cathedral setting. Okay, so for now we are going to create this kind of ring. So let's lock it. Okay, now see, here is the height difference, so we need this much distance for bridge, and so diamond should go up. Okay, for this case we need to define our profile of the shank and this side profile. Before that, we are just creating one gem offset curve. So here is the gem offset curve, and let's select the diamond, and now select the curve which is created using gem profile curve. Then we need this kind of shape. Let's check it in detail. So it's a chamfer here, four corners are chamfered, and this is the straight. Okay, so here we can see the same shape geometry. Now let's make offset and specify distance. So let's make it 0.6. 0.5 is also fine. For now let's make 0.6 and see the result. Okay, now select the geometry. Okay, see, it's going inward. This is our profile and the top profile is going inside. So let's make few other copies before proceeding for 3D model shape. So let's go with alter and a new copy. Now then use scale option, so it will go inside. Okay, so similar way select and offset and click outer side. So for now we are using 0.5 and click outer side. Okay, now we are applying loft. So loft will connect to curves and create 3D shapes. Same for these two objects and same here. And okay, we are going to apply extrude curve on these two curves. Okay, so let's make it extrude single side, and we need up to this point. Okay, so this way we have created a simple profile. Now let's make with this, let's move this gem to this particular layer. So this is the gem one. When you select any object and move to matrix layer, the layer setting has automatically been developed. Okay, so let's move this object to here, so it will connect with the commands. Okay, this is okay. Now let's select all the surfaces. Let's join them and make sure it becomes single object. It is not single object, so let's apply cap here, so it will close from bottom side. So when you bring it up, you can see here it is closed with the cap command. Let's undo and bring it down. Okay, so currently this is my basic outer profile. You can also do two different profiles, but for now we are using single profile. Okay, we need four prongs. Before that process, we are just adding outer profile, outer shank. Go to front view, and through here we are connecting directly this side of top bezel. Okay, so we need our cow like this way. It should go this way. Okay, so let's select and split the object with line. So let's make it 0, and cut from approximate here. Let's make it mirror and type in 0, enter. Okay, so let's select and apply split command with these two lines. Okay, so this is okay for now. Now we need to make one smooth curve. Okay, here it's going little bit straight, so let's go to wireframe and make one simple line from middle. Okay, so here is the middle, so click here, go to front view and make it little bit straight downwards. Okay, so you can connect this to with this option, adjustable curve blend, from this point to this point. Okay, so now you can control with these 2 points the curvature, and you can also move little bit downwards, then you can also add more curvatures. So this way these lines can be controlled. Okay, if it is okay for now, you can press enter and select this. Again, you need to split it from here point, and this is the point, so that we can directly mirror this shank. So select. Okay, don't delete them, but instead of that, move to another layer, select this object and apply mirror. Okay, for now this is okay, and when we require, we will add this curve for our bridge option. Okay, so for now select this one and apply profile placer. So here is the profile placer, and let's select, go to perspective, and we need rectangle kind of section. So here is the rectangle and corner fillets. So let's use a rectangle with corner fillets. It's not available directly here, so we can make customized. Okay, I think this is a good one. Select. Now you can apply width and height. So let's make 1.5, and let's make 1.4. It's depend, if you have shank, if you have diamonds on this shank, so the size will be changed accordingly. It is little bit wider, so let's make it more 1.7. Its height, sorry, 1.3, and make it 1.8. So it should look more broader and less in height. So let's make it done. Go to sweep one, select this one and select, then let's make done. Okay, now for this case I need that curve here, not here. So let's now delete, select, go to front, and again split with this line. So now we need a straight line from inside of this point, inside of the midpoint. So let's go to front view and let's make it straight from inside. Okay, let's delete this. So this line will connect with this, and outer line will go outer side. Okay, so now let's connect with the adjustable curve blend. You can adjust if required, then you can also set point 1 and 2 accordingly. Okay, this is okay for now. Then keep these two options tick mark, then done. Okay, now let's select, go to perspective and apply sweep 1. Now select this cross section, place done, so you can find out your profile. Okay, for this case we need to add some cap here. So let's try ready-made cap, but mostly we find errors in this ready-made cap option. But let's try here. So select profile and cap. Here is the profile and select. If it works, it will automatically add a profile, but it's not able to add. Let's make it 1.5 and let's select, but not able to add. So for this case, what we are going to do, select and hide these options. Okay, let's duplicate age, use duplicate age command, and then make one center line from this point to this point. Okay, and let's make one vertical line. So line vertical to C plane, let's click here and make it vertical, so only keep that much height which is required in, and fill it. Okay, so now let's make another curve. So this is start and point on arc. So this is start and this is the point on arc. Okay, so this way you can create round in shape. Okay, and let's make here, this is also first, second and third point here. Okay, so what can possible, so let's go to front view, select this line, then use edit point, and let's select these points and make it little bit broader, so it should go this way. Now I want only single side this profile, let's hide this profile. Okay, let's split it with this line. So this is the line, this is the axis, and this is the outer rail geometry. So we can use surface rail revolve. So here is the profile, it is, this is the rail, and this is the axis on which profile will follow. And select this apply cap command. You can also join them, this both the options on. Okay, once you select, it should be a closed poly surface, it should close poly surface. Now unhide the rest objects. Okay, for now this is fine. You can also adjust your curve, or you can also adjust this scaling. If the thickness is not enough, you can make you can add more thickness. Let's make this thickness 1 mm. So I need to extrude this surface, so let's make extrude surface. Then this is the surface which I want to extrude, but direction is not okay, so let's make it one by one. Yeah, either I can use offset surface. So select the surface. Okay, but for right now the surface is merged with this existing one, so we are going to use first extract surface, and we keep this option yes, so there will be a new copy generating on this existing surface. So new copy of surface will be generated, and let's join them, and we will use offset surface and apply zero point 0.5 more value, so it will add more thickness to our bezel. Okay, now we can add mirror tool. Select this one, deselect. Okay, select this portion, this second portion, make it group and use mirror, type in 0, enter. Okay, now we need some section to connect these two options objects. Okay, there are too many options are there. We can directly offset with cap, flat cap, both the sides, and let's make it not point 0.5 but 0.85, and top side. Okay, let's select them, go to perspective and apply extrude curve. Okay, it should be both the sides, and go to right view. Let's make up to this point, so it should be inside only. Okay, it should merge here with this ring rail, so it should not go outer from that ring rail. So I think there is a ring rail here. Okay, so we need a little bit more in scale. So let's bring it upside. It should not go inside of that ring rail, so the bridge is only for the strength. Bring it little bit down and make it more in scale. So here is the scale. Okay, we can also use the same ring rail curve. For now we have just error, but this is fine for this adjustment. Okay, let's go to perspective, and let's apply here. Okay, let's first select invert, then control plus H for hide, and we will apply fillet option here. So let's select, and variable radius fillet, it should be 0.2. So let's select all those, each curve, same here and this side, and now unhide everything, and you can find it's merging perfectly. So let's select and move to the different layer and then hide. So here is our basic simple ring with bezel ring with cathedral setting. Okay, thank you.